Hello everyone, welcome to Hobby Kit channel. Today I am going to present my personal assistant called Jessie. Yes, this is a Python artificial intelligence project. So let us see my project.
Good afternoon. Tell me a secret word.
Hobby Kit.
Wrong password. You can't use me.
So if it is a wrong password, the personal assistant will not be open. Actually, the process of working is when I say any speech, it will convert into text by itself and do the tasks by itself. And it will listen my speech through my laptop microphone. So let us open the program once again.
Good afternoon. Tell me a secret word.
Srikar.
Wrong password. You can't use me.
So I said Raker, so it doesn't open.
Good afternoon. Tell me a secret word.
Srikar.
Hey Srikar, I am Jessie, your personal assistant. How can I help you?
How can you help me?
I can browse anything for you. I can send mails. I am good at mathematics. I can update weather report. I have the capability of remembering what you say.
Acha.
I can tell a joke. I am updating by Srikar to do more tasks and functionality. Thanks for your patience, mister.
Open Google.
What do you want in Google?
SPB songs. Open Chrome. Open Chrome.
Okay.
Open YouTube.
What do you want me to do?
DSP songs. Open YouTube.
What do you want me to do?
8086 microprocessor. What is the weather now?
What's the city name?
Rajahmundry.
Temperature in Kelvin minute is 297.15. Humidity in percentage is 88. Description heavy intensity rain.
What is the time now?
The time is 12 hours 18 minutes and 26 seconds.
Remember this.
What should I remember?
I have given 100 rupees to my friend.
Okay.
Calculate sin 30.
The answer is 0.
Calculate 1 plus 1.
The answer is EA2CL2TU plus 1.
Calculate tan 30.
The answer is 0.
What did you remember?
Yes, you said to remember I have given 100 rupees to my friend.
Remember this.
What should I remember?
I have borrowed 100 rupees from my friend.
Okay.
What is the weather?
What's the city name?
Delhi.
Temperature in Kelvin minute is 294.67. Humidity in percentage is 53. Description smoke.
How can you help me?
I can browse anything for you. I can send mails. I am good at mathematics. I can update weather for. I have capability of remembering what you say. I can tell a joke. I am updating by Sriker to do more tasks and functionality. Thanks for your patience, mister.
Tell me a joke.
What did the Java code say to the C code? A. You've got no class.
Tell me a joke.
There are 10 types of people, those who understand binary, those who don't, and those who were expecting this joke to be in trinary.
What's up?
I am amazing and full of power.
Who are you?
I am an example of AI.
What is the time now?
The time is 12 hours 21 minutes and 35 seconds.
What did you remember?
Yes, you said to remember I have borrowed 100 rupees from my friend.
Hey Jesse.
Yes.
What is the meaning of palindrome?
Searching. Gotcha. Wikipedia says, a palindrome is a word, number, phrase, or other sequence of characters which reads the same backward as forward, such as madam, race car. There are also numeric palindromes, including date/time stamps using short digits November 11th, 11/11 and long digits February 2nd, 2020. Sentence length palindromes ignore capitalization, punctuation, and word boundaries.
Okay, this is all about my personal assistant. All it required is a microphone from the laptop. It will recognize my speech. It will also recognize the random speech which I speak. You can see here. But it triggers only some actions which we have planned and written in the code. So I'll open my code. I have written my code by using PyCharm. So this is the total code of my personal assistant Jesse. It looks like small, the heavier time it took. Yes. I will explain the total code in the next session of my video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe HobbyKit channel. Thank you for watching.